Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, I hope everybody is fine and healthy. All of you are doing well in your studies. Okay? Dear students, now today we are here to learn a new chapter in our English textbook. But before I start my chapter, let's tell me something. If you remember, dear students, do you know any children or do you know any boy or girl who tease you every time, who disturbs you every time, who teases you every time, who disturbs you every time? I know very well you may have that kind of friend, okay, around you who always disturbs you, who always tease you, okay. So dear students, today we are going to learn that chapter. As you can see the title on the board, you can see the title, The Little Bully. Look, The Little Bully. The little. Now all of you know very well. What does it mean? The little, it means what we call small. But dear students, here you can see bully. So what is the meaning of bully? Please remember, dear students, here bully. Bully means what do we call? That kind of person. You can say bully means that kind of person who disturbs everyone, who frightens or who threatens other person. It means who are weaker than him or her. Okay? Bully, it means a person who frightens other person who are weaker than him or her. Okay? That person is called bully. Okay? So dear students, here the lesson is about the little bully. The little bully. As you can see in the picture also, dear students, if you see the picture of your textbook, here you can see on the board the picture of that particular children. Here you can see there is a one boy. There is a one boy who is very small. It means who is very small. You can say who is very little. Who is little. But he was strong by his body. He was strong by his activities. He was very active to tease anybody who is around him. And if you see the students in the picture, that person, that boy who teased everyone around him or okay around him, that boy's name is, you can say, Hari. As you can see in the picture on the wall, okay, who pinched. If you see, the boy pinched the girl, okay. Pinch means what do we call here, student? Pinch means to squeeze. Using thumb and forefinger. If you see, squeeze lemon. Same way, dear students, the boy squeeze the skin, okay, the skin of the girl on the hand, like this. Okay, it's called pinch. Okay, so here the boy is very naughty, mischievous, and that's why we can say him bully, the little bully. Okay, who always ready to pinch everyone who is around him and who disturbs everyone. Even the children who are always around him, they also know that he is very naughty. He always disturbs us, but they can't tell this kind of thing about him to the teacher. Okay? Because every time he was telling pens. Okay, so dear students, let's learn about this little boy, little bully Hari. So please my dear students, be ready with your textbook. Chapter number 8, you can see the little bully. Let's start the chapter little bully. How the little bully Hari disturbs everyone who is around him. Let's see. Dear students, as you can see in your notebook, okay, and in your textbook here, you can see the little bully. Can you see the picture? Okay, can you see this chapter, the little bully? If you see, dear students, here this boy, okay, who is wearing cap, that boy's name is Hari, who always tease everyone who is around him. You can see what he is doing. He is pinching the girl, okay, pinching the girl. Okay. And here you can see these are the two children, boy and girl. All the students, you can see, all the students were very disturbed by this boy little bully Hari. My dear students, let's see the lesson. So dear students, the first paragraph you can see. Once upon a time, not so very long ago. Please remember dear students, once upon a time, not so very long ago. Once upon a time, it was a matter. There was a small boy called Hari. There was a small boy called Hari. You can see the picture. Although he wasn't very big, he was strong. Although he wasn't very big, he was strong. He was small, you can say. He was small. He was short in height, but he was very active. Okay? By his brain and mind. And he loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him. Okay, dear students, dear Hari, who loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him together. Now, as you know, dear students, all the students, when you were in the school, there may be a boy or girl who always pinch you, who always tease you. Okay, and when you were coming in the school, okay, by using bus, when you were coming on the bus to the school, and during that on the bus, there may be a boy or girl in, okay, they or he or she tease you, and you will be enjoying also, and he will be also enjoying, if you remember. But sometimes what happens? Sometimes you get tired. You get tired. You are fed up of that particular boy's activity, teasing and pinching. And afterwards, what happens? Afterwards, you all complain against him to your teacher, to your class teacher, that sir, ma'am, this boy always tease me in the bus. This boy always tease me in the lunch break, during the break. Okay, because they are very naughty. They are very naughty, and they have that kind of nature. Same way here, Hari also. Hari was very naughty, Hari was very mischievous. But what? He loved to do only paint, tease to all the boys and girls who went to school with him. Okay, so dear students, let's start the next line. What he loved to do? He loved to do most was to paint. Please remember here, P-R-A-N-C-H. Okay, what he loved to paint? Okay, that was, okay, what do you call? To squeeze the skin like this. It's called pinch. Okay, next he could make a big bruise appear in a half second. He could make a big bruise appear in a half second. In a half second, he can make a big bruise. It means, dear students, here the meaning of this word bruise. It means The meaning of this word bruise, it means injury by blow on body. You can see. Okay? Bruise means injury by blow to body. Okay? By using the fist. Bruise. And dear students, we are very always love to do paint, love to do, okay, teasing. He is very naughty and he used to do paint, even he loved to do teasing to the boys and girls who are always with him, who are always around him. And all the boys and girls, they were very disturbed, tired of hurry. Next, another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. Please remember this one. Another trick also. Another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. If you remember, if you have seen the pin, he always doing printing. What do you call printing? And please remember here, printing. Okay, pin was doing this kind of things to disturb everyone, boy or girl around him, and he gets enjoyment. He gets enjoyment from that kind of activity. Okay, he loved to tease, he loved to paint, and he loved to printing with a pin to the boys and girls. So here we can say that Hari is a little bully. We can say that Hari is a little bully, as you can see in the picture. If you see the picture. Next, here if you see the next pair, so you can guess how all the children hated him. All the children, they hated him. Why? Because Hari always tease everyone. Hari always paint everyone. That's why all the children in his class, they hate him. They tried to pinching him back. But he was very active, he was very intelligent. But that was no good because he could always pinch harder. Before his friend, before any other boy or girl tried to pinch him, pinch Hari pins harder. Hari pins harder than any boy or girl. That's why all the children hate him. Okay. Next, they didn't like telling that teacher. All the children, they didn't like telling that teacher because that was telling tales. All the because Hari used to tease them, Hari used to pinch them, and all the children who were around him, they also tried to do this kind of thing with him. Next, it so happened that the class went for a picnic to the seaside for the whole day. It so happened one day, the class, all the students of the class, they went for a picnic to the seaside, okay, beach you can say, to the seaside for whole one day, and all the children were very excited, and all the children were most excited. Now it's a matter, listen to me dear students, here all the children were very excited, most excited. Why? Because they got a chance for a picnic at seaside. So all the children were very excited. Okay. So my dear students, here we will see this one is first page of our lesson, Little Bully. And as you can see in the picture, Little Bully Hari always tried to paint, always tried to tease all the children around him, and he gets enjoyment by doing this kind of activity to other children. Okay, let's see, dear students, further exercise for this part of little bully, and try to read the lesson very carefully. Dear students, you will learn a lesson also, even you will get fun also from this lesson, little bully, and you can free time just read the lesson ahead. Okay, okay students, as we have discussed the chapter, okay, the little bully, the first part of the chapter, the little bully. The little bully, it means what? The boy. He was called bully. Bully means, as you know, the person who is strong, okay, and who uses his power to frighten other people, other weaker people. Okay, so here same way bully. Hari is bully, the name of the boy. If you remember, if you have gone through the lesson, you will see the name of the boy. It is already given in the introduction part of the chapter. If you see the first 4 lines of the intro of the chapter, okay, dear students, here Hari is a bully. Why? Because he always tried to disturb everyone by pinching, by pricking, by teasing. Okay, so dear students, let's see the exercise for this part. Okay, now here you can see, choose the correct option. Here you can see, choose the correct option. Here you can see 5. Total there are 5 MCQs. Okay, so let's see the first one. What was the name of the boy in the lesson? As you know, all of you, what was the name of the boy? It means which boy? The little bully. Okay, the little bully. Can you see a Harry, Hurry, Tommy, or Jean? If you have seen the name of the boy, what do we call? Hurry. So our first answer, Hurry. The name of the boy, little bully, is Hurry. Second, the boy loved to dash. It means the boy loved to dash. It means what? Hurry. Talk, bruise, tease, or all of these. 10. The boy loved to dash, talk, bruise, or tease. So dear students, here you can say tease, because Hurry always try to tease everyone around him. Okay, so second is C for cat, tease. Third one, Hurry loved to do most was to dash. Hurry loved to do most was to dash. So what kind of activity, what kind of thing he loved to do the most to disturb everyone? Do you know? Joke. He loved to play joke. Paint, tease, or talk. What he loved to do? If you remember, what he loved to do? He loved to do paint like this. Okay? Squeeze the part of the skin by using thumb and forefinger. Okay? Paint like this. So here the answer will be B for bat for the third. Got it? Let's see the fourth one. Why did the children hate Hurry? Why did all the children of his class hate Hurry? Let's see the option. A. Because he would not talk to anyone. B. Because he always paid them. Because he loved stealing their food. Because he would play joke on them. So what he would like to do? If you remember in the beginning part of the lesson, Hurry always paint all the children. So dear students, here B for bat is the correct answer. Next, see, fifth one, the class went for a picnic to the dash. What's the correct answer? The class went for a picnic to the temple. The class went for a picnic to the zoo. The class went for a picnic to the seaside, or the class went for a picnic to the museum. So what's the correct option from these? Dear students, if you remember the last para of the lesson on the page number, if you see the page number 135, 5. Okay, the class went for a picnic to the seaside, and that's why all the children, they were very excited, most excited. Why? Because they got a chance, okay, for a picnic to the seaside. So my dear students, I hope you will understand all these 5 MCQs. Okay, it's from only the first page of the chapter, page number 135 in your Marigold textbook of English. Please try to remember, dear student. The first one is, the answer is, the name of the boy was Hari. Hari loved to do dash. It means what? This. And the most thing Hari loved to do most was to paint. Next, what did the children hate Hari? Because he always pinched them. Fifth, the class went for a picnic to the seaside. Okay, so I hope, dear students, you got it. If you didn't understand, please go through the lesson, the first page of the lesson, and if you get more time, just read the whole lesson. Okay, so you will get better idea about the chapter, the little bully. Okay, so till then, see you